I'm Ken Halenick. I'm the CEO and founder of Downhole Emerging Technologies. We're a small group of senior oil and gas professionals, and we're focused on developing innovative and new geothermal as well as unconventional technologies that lead towards cleaner energy production. Yes, I've been in the oil and gas for nearly 30 years now, and I've seen all elements of it from start to finish, from drilling all the way through to completions. I've seen all the unconventionals, all the other ideas that have come out that we pursued, from heavy oil to gas condensates and of course fracking. And then I've also followed on the solar, the wind, and all the other non-hydrocarbon based energy sources. The new geothermal, this one, is the first one that I believe has really the potential to replace oil and gas for our grid. It's the first one. I don't see a downside, and I'm very excited about it. Why have I mentally moved from oil and gas to the geothermal? Not only is it exciting and I think an amazing opportunity for us to finally potentially move away from oil and gas for a source for our grid, it's also, as an engineer, it's Apollo. It's an exciting adventure. And I believe we can get there, but it's going to take a lot of innovation and smart people to work on this to get there. We at Downhole Emerging Technologies have invented a new isolation packer that is not only super high temp rated, in other words, it's all metal, but it also has a unique way of being deployed and retrieved so that it's easily deployed and easily retrieved. You need partners, you need other people that have the same common motivation that we do, but have potentially different skill sets, different backgrounds, different facilities, maybe even some more funding that you may need. Across the board, you have to be open. I truly believe the company that isolates itself and tries to solve all the geothermal problems that are in front of us themselves, I think they're going to be quickly left behind. To a small company, $500,000 is a lot of money, okay? So for us, that's more money than we would need to finish this project and commercialize it. So absolutely, this is some of those, like I said, some of those other ideas that are sitting there on the whiteboard right now, or in our white paper that we say, gosh, we would love to do this too. We see the problem, and here's a solution. We just need to get to it. It would open the door for us to start to tackle those other pieces